Hello team. So this is taxi booking solutions. Currently, this is demo purpose, demo website. That's why we had not set up any images. But we will set up images whenever you go for buy. Here we will set up your logo. Here you can set up your own content. What content you want to use. Okay. Here you can set up your links. It will be work for you. After that, here you can check like how do you apply, how it works, driver requirements, safety. You can register as a driver as well if you want to register. Okay, this is the some feature which how you can do. Okay, these are some contact like service areas. So in which areas we are working. So here we can add those area. After that, let me show you the admin panel as well. So this is the admin panel. Here you can check driver register data, driver approval, driver waiting for approval, user, notify SOS you can check here. Today's tip you can check complete data here, overall earning or cancel chart. After that, in a configuration, here you can check privileges data here. You can edit as well. Here you can find out some settings. So here you can set up like admin commission for customer, type of fix. So admin commission for driver, trip dispatch type, admin commission rate, route by values or not, admin commission for driver. Or here we can manage all the things by adding some data. After that, we have a wallet, so you can manage your wallet. Here you can manage your currency code, default longitude, latitude you can manage. These are some setup. Here you can check installation. So we are using PayStack, Flutter Web, Cash-Free, Razorpay, Healthy, Mercado Page, Stripe, PayPal. So we are using these types of gateway. So you can use anyone in this. You just need to add key, then it will be work for you. After that, we have a refer. We are using like map, so we already using Google Maps, so you can add your Google Map key, then it will be work for you. Here 5 ways, so these are some SMTP. So here you can set up your SMTP. Here you can find out map settings. So we have two types of map, like Google Map or OpenStreet. So you can use anyone, which one you want to use. SMS we have, so we are using Twilio, SMS Ala, Message 91, Sparrow, or SMS India Hub. So which you want to use, you just need to use token key and all, it will work. After that, here you can set up your translator, onboarding screen you can manage here, like user, skin order, onboarding title and all. You can manage, you can edit it. Okay, after that we have invoice configuration. So here you can add a privacy policy, terms and condition, invoice, email and all. So email will be generated with these data. Here you can set up your vehicles. So here you can create vehicles. Here you can set up your vehicle models. Which document driver require, like whenever you driver register, so he or she need to add phone pay, PAN card, driving license, and any insurance. So we can set up these things here. Owner needed document, fleet needed the documents. Here we can set up goods. So which types of goods we need to add. So here you can add goods. Rental package type. So here we can set up multiple rental package like transport type, name, short description, and we can add. Here we can set up banner, images. This is the service location. Here you can set up your service location where you need to work. You can set up your own area. You just need to select city, name, country, symbol. Here we can set up time zones and all. You can set that. Here you can check your owners. So here you can find out the owners data. Here you can create multiple owners. You need to add some data, then it will be done. After that, fleet. Currently we disable that option, but whenever you go for this, we will enable or we will show you the complete demo of it. After that, here you can check edit delete options, like this is the user. So here you can check your staff data. After trip request, so if rider data will come here, schedule ride. So if rider request for any ride, then if driver has accepted, so that data will come here, like schedule ride, out of station ride, cancellation ride, delivery request. So here you can manage your driver, rider data, schedule ride or cancel ride. Vehicle types we have, so here you can check vehicle types, or here you can create multiple vehicle types. We have a geofencing. So here you can set up your own geofencing, like zones where you want to work. so you can set up by geofencing. You just need to create a box, so it will be done. So here you can set up any box, any circle or like that. So with this you can in this area your work will be running. Okay, now we have a airport, so here you can set up those data also here. Set price, so here you can set up your own price. Then we have a driver, so here you can check approved driver data, pending, delete, driver rating, withdrawal request and all. We have a fleet driver, so here you can check approved fleet driver data, approved pending, or after that we have a user details, so all types of user will come here. Here you can create add user, or you can request lake user payment history, so you can manage that. Here you can check emergency numbers, live chat, you can check promo code we have, so here you can set up your own multiple promo code. Custom notification if you want to send, cancellation we have, these are some complaints, so here you can set up a complaint. After that here you can find out the reports, geofencing view, so here you can find out your driver data, like where driver is live, so this is the live location. So currently this is a demo account, so we had not set up any driver data. Whenever any driver registers, so in which location he or she belong, that will be show here. We have two types of map, so see, this is the registration. So this is the user, like this is the driver who register. So this is the offline, that's why it's coming like that. So here you can check the data. In India, how much drivers we have, so you can find out the driver data. After that we have FAQ, CMS, so you can manage these things easily here. So I already showed the complete demo here. If you have any query or doubts, you can connect with us. We will connect and I will try to solve it. Thank you.